Hey, okay, so my battery's about to die on my mic. But the day has finally came. The day has came! I signed my lease this morning for my new house. I'm going to drop off the payment here in a minute, and then I'll show you the house, hopefully. But it's $3,700 to move in, and $1,350 a month. That's too much. That's too fucking much. I only make $17 an hour, but I work a lot of hours, so maybe that'll make up for it. But I don't know. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared, Mimi. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay, I'll give you an update in a minute. Okay, I got the money right here. Cold, hard cash, baby, $3,700. And I hope there's not a... Anyways, I hope there's not a security deposit on the power, because that's the last thing we got to do after we pay the rent. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Bruh, every paycheck I have to pull out $675. $700 on each check. What the fuck? I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know how to do this. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Okay, let's go to the house, pay her the money, try to figure out the power situation, and I'll give you an update. I got the key, bitch. I got the key. And it's FSU, bitch. Oh my God, I gotta call my friend. Oh my God, I got my key. I got my key. I'm so excited. Sorry, that was super annoying. There's people. For boy, why are you parking like that? SpongeBob, what are you doing? Boy, go down more. Oh. Here's the key to your new house. It's an FSU key. May, what are you looking at? You ran over something. No, I didn't. That's it. Oh. That's it. You gonna fight me? Yeah. Don't come door What are you laughing about? Nothing. No, SpongeBob. What's SpongeBob? Your shoes and socks. Looks like you got work socks on. Work shoes, I mean. We gotta get a new rug. This rug is squishy. Ta-da! I know. Look at where our table's gonna go, bitch. Turn the lights on. Oh. Look at our island. We have a whole dick island. It's a dick. A whole penis. Look at it. See the balls? She laughed at it when she looked at it. I know there's cabinets underneath it. Oh my gosh, there's so much motherfucking storage, bitch. Oh, I can be myself in here now. Oh, she said they gotta come and do something in here, but it's usable, but they gotta come work on it. What? Like, get that worked out and stuff. We'll clean it out. Nice. I like the floor in here. Look how shiny it is. Oh, look at the sink. So cute. Do you like it? Oh. Oh my God. Look at the window by where we get ready at. This is our getting ready spot. The floor's a little squishy. Why is the floor squishy? The room's not gonna be This is our bedroom. We're in our bedroom right now. I know. This is all of the bedroom right here. Look at our bed right here. Ceiling's kind of low. Where? Oh, roach. Are these new blinds? Oh, they got new blinds, I think, didn't they? Oh, no, that's not. She said we could paint. Hmm? I don't know. I like this color.
What's that?
I don't know. She said it's just an old furnace.
But it's got central air.
Yeah. Look, I don't like how this is. Look. The floor is like thrown together kind of. I don't know. This is my makeup room. This is gonna be our bedroom. I'm just playing. Yeah, we got some doing to do. This is a big closet. This could be our room. I'm just playing. I like the other room. Is there something behind this yet? Did you open this?
No, I did not.
Oh, the whole ass desk. Wow. Oh my god. Huh. Yeah, this is the makeup room, honey. Huh? What's it gonna be, a storage room? I don't like how the floor's squishy. Yeah. This is more of a storage room. I guess I could set up my little stuff. Yeah, the desk would look cute in here, huh? Hmm? What? May, what? Let me hit you.
That's how I want my own closet.
Okay, you're gonna have your own
Oh, no,
closet.
I need a dress.
What are you doing? What are you spraying? Oh, that's the water. Huh? Are we paying too much? Are we paying too much?
I mean, if I'm going to put them in there.
Look. Close it for me, close it for you.
Well, I probably put nothing like my shoes, but.
You gonna give me the ugly one? I'm just playing. We got this too. Mm-hmm. Look, we can put shoes up here, really. Oh, oh wow. Huh? What? What do you mean? There must have been a bad water leak or something because it's all underneath the floor. You heard me? Hmm? There's food. I love my window. Oh my god. Is this a freezer or a fridge? What? What?
It's gotta be like this.
What?
Like this.
The floor is ugly right here?
That's what I'm saying.
What do you mean?
It gotta be like that.
What do you mean?
It's gonna look like this. It's clean.
I guess. We can put a rug down.
A big one.
Mm-hmm.
A huge one. Well, no, probably one right
I was
there.
trying to see where we could like keep the dogs like put away, like if they had like a spot they could be in. Damn, my camera's about to die.
Kind of thinking. So the TV gotta go right here.
Mm-hmm. You don't have to, but.
In the couch right here.
Yeah, but I like how this window is. I kind of want to put a couch. Why? It depends on what kind. I wish we could get a sectional right here.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get a sectional or something. I don't really like the TV being right there though.
I was thinking of a TV stand instead of hanging it.
You like it right there though?
A TV stand.
I'm saying right there or somewhere else.
It could be right there. But I feel like when you open the door, if we had a door open, the sun's gonna shine on the TV. So we probably put the TV. I don't know.
What?
I don't know. We'll just have to see.
Yeah.
Man, I hate when you got no fucking money. I hate my money gone.
Okay, so you walk in. I think the TV should be right here.
So if we had the door open,
It don't matter. The door was open in our house. They didn't affect it.
we never even had a functional living room.
Man, I'm talking about. We had that TV on the wall by the door, and it was fine. It looked good right there, and the light didn't never affect it. And plus, if it's right here, we can see it from over there. I want the TV right here.
We can, wall already 10. That's perfect.
Yeah. And then right here, you can put artwork when we walk in. You hear me?
Artwork.
That's
Oh, like
that's the lights out front.
pictures, you mean?
Yeah, I'm right there.
Oh, this is what color is this?
Oh, there ain't no light in here. Wow.
We're gonna do the barn stuff.
This is pretty. You can do your barn stuff in here.
That wall throws it off a little bit.
Is this the same color as this?
Should we paint this the same color as that?
We can, yeah. You think so?
Yeah,
I think so too.
Yeah, they messed up with that. Oh yeah, that'd be easy.
Look what these fools did.
How about we match?
Why did they do that? Paint this white and then paint it down up there white.
You heard me?
I'm gonna have to go over that, I guess.
Like just take something that's similar. I mean,
Yeah, just bring the cards home and hold the cards up to it. This we can paint too, if we wanted to.
we need to do this now. So I'm gonna try to get paint now.
Okay.
This throws everything off.
Look, I hate that the floors are uneven and messed up like that. It's okay though, right?
You have to be just what we could get.
It ain't 1,500 like the other ones. The other ones are 1,500 and they're polished.
But you know, they're all kind of like
Yeah.
old and have stuff wrong.
And we can get more blinds and stuff. Let's look at our best shower. We can get that thing off of TikTok. You know what I'm talking about?
What?
And have a shower on both sides.
Oh
So get in the shower with
yeah.
me.
This motherfucker good.
Oh no, I can't wait. I can't wait. Now when we clean, we'll have something to look forward to clean.
This rim's fucking
Go get in the shower.
You heard me?
Bruh, you ain't never lying. I don't know what we're gonna do.
I'm talking about being able to get furniture.
I know. Where's the curtain?
About the same as I told him. We fit in there like this.
I know we ain't got walls in here now. I'm saying you put, we can get the thing and put it right there. This is pretty, huh? It's like right here. Toothbrush faces, yours and mine. One side's yours, one side's mine.
No, this gonna be full up. My toothpaste gonna be all right.
I want this side.
No, there's no bathroom in there.
I'm saying
You heard
we
me.
can put a coat of paint over this
Messy
too.
with toothpaste everywhere.
Let me do the painting though.
I ain't doing anything in here. We ain't painting here.
I know, but we can touch up. And this thing right here is blank.
Man, we gonna do all crazy.
I'm not. I can touch up my white though. Like, see all this? I can touch all that up. That's what I'm saying. They had some kind of water damage or something.
Oh, this is just for that over. Oh no, it's like this one. Oh no, we don't know how
I don't know, yeah. Look, we gotta get some stuff and lay down in here. Some covers, some tack paper or something. We'll slowly, we don't have to do everything all at once. It'll be overwhelming if we try to do too much at once. What closet is this? Oh, that's not a closet. That's our bedroom door. So where's the head of the bed gonna go? And it'll cover that hole. Wait, we need to see which, that's the road. That's not. So we want to put the bed head here, then yeah.
We can put it here, right?
You sure?
What do you mean that's the room?
I'm saying if we put the window up, we can't put the window up behind the bed frame, only next to the bed frame. So isn't this the road? Let's see where we're at.
Yeah, that's the room. I see the cars going back.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we gotta get some different blinds or something. And we got to clean the fuck out of these windows, inside and out.
I don't know about to be watching us over there.
She said, get keys. She said she would recommend getting keys. She said she don't know who's got a key, just like you said. She said the daughter, the son, whoever. She said not the people who come in, but she said just get keys. Who is it? Oh, Lord.
Oh, no. I think that's the uncle.
Oh, okay. Look, I can clean all that shit off. Clean that up.
Because his dad died, you know.
This window is uglier.
He knows who's staying here.
You heard me? Okay, think about the TV. TV probably needs to go here.
Be right there, TV right here.
Yeah, because then you can see it from the bathroom and stuff.
Because it'd be awkward if we put the TV right there and the TV gonna be over there. There ain't no other way to do it.
I see what you're saying.
Oh my god, it's gonna be how we are at home. It's my closet right here.
Unless we put the bed against the wall. This
No.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So bed here.
Bed here, yeah.
I want to be able to put the window up and see the nature though.
You can see the nature right there. Ain't nothing back here. But them people right there.
Oh, that is the side of the, that's the marsh that way, right?
Yeah.
Duh. Okay, you're right.
I'm about to put you in a mood.
Let's go ahead and move over tonight.
Now I can go ahead and have I can get my bars of soap and put my little
I don't want the TV on top of the dresser though anymore.
I'll have my stuff.
You hear me?
I can put.
I don't want the TV on top of the dresser anymore.
I hope this be good for us. We'll have functionable stuff.
I know, it will be. It already is.
You see what I'm talking about? We haven't been able to do.
No.
Like I look at cameras and I'm like, no, just put it back.
I know, now we can do stuff. And when we clean, it'll be,
The sale probably off.
huh?
The sale probably gone off. We need cameras.
I keep thinking this is a closet.